Hi guys, today we will have a better look at two modules of Collins transponder. So for today it will be the power supply and the modulator unit, because so far you did see this side but you did not see the underside, which looks like this. So let's have a look at it. We will start with the power supply unit. Here is the back side of it, and yes, they are DB connectors. So the way these things are made, you have a U-shaped aluminum plate, and extra plates are screwed on it to all the components. And behind there are a few parts and mostly wires, so this one is not worth removing, it is just wires behind. So here, as I said previously, we have a small relay. You have a schematic here on it, made by CP Clare and Company. 26.5 volts DC, 600 amperes. Oh, excuse me, 600 ohms, not 600 amperes. And the blue dot is the one of the cold sides. We have each side here, two power resistors made by Dale. You can barely see the brand here. And the way these things are attached, you have these nuts here, mica spacers, washers, and a screw at the other side. You have module mounting screws. You can see you cannot lose them. There is a small ring keeping them in place. The bridge rectifier here, there is nothing special, there is no brand on it, no info. The diodes here are regular metal can diodes. So on this side we have a big Sangamo capacitor completely shielded, as you can see on the side here. There is a metal shield and glass insulator for the lid. Each side is like this. So it must be non-polarized capacitor. 0.27 must be 0.27 microfarads. This transformer here, so this one just looks like a regular transformer. This one is made by Balastron. You can see it is painted in black. And there is this kind of weird stuff coming out of it. So not sure if it did overheat maybe. And some of the internal coating did spray out. Quite interesting. And here you have the wires going at the other side, and you can see they did make a little lip in the metal to protect the wires against cutting with metal. So really nicely made. The other part. So we have, it is the modulator section. As you can see, it is still the same construction with layers of metal, the bug thing here, mica capacitors, still transistors mounted on plates, on standoffs I mean. And here we have this danger shield made in some kind of plastic sheet. And what do we have behind it? If I can remove it. This is turning, not turning the correct way. I believe we have capacitors or something like this, or maybe it is just the leads from the part of the other side. Will it come off or not? No. So I will not disturb it if it does not want to come off. By the way, we have, you can see there is a Teflon. Oh, some people are making noise outside. Some Teflon sheet here. The pullers for the connector. On this side, we have this module, which is probably either a transformer or inductor. Probably transformer. You can see some of the leads here have glass or porcelain insulators, so it must be high voltage this side. Made by Balastron with that code of 1968. And this high voltage capacitor, danger high voltage at all time. There is no high voltage, so it is not true. Made by Sprague, vitamin Q capacitor. You always need vitamins in your capacitors. Probably, maybe even nice PCB oil vitamins. Very, very great. 2 times 0.5 something microfarad. 500 volts DC. Made in USA, of course. Date code of 6752. So made between Christmas and Christmas and New Year. And you can see the insulator connections here have plastic insulators like what you see on microwave oven transformers, in fact. Okay, so it is all for these two modules. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.